FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, we're going to talk about something that you probably won't hear me talk about ever again. But we're going to talk about support and resistance and whether or not it actually works. And if it does work, what's the fastest way to actually draw support and resistance on a chart. And I'm going to show you how to do it in less than 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and get started guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Also, if you haven't joined us yet, please go to fxntrading.com, create a free account, and join us in our Telegram group where we have a large community of traders that are helping each other trade and becoming better traders. All right, guys. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with this video today. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, we're going to talk about something that, like I said, you might probably not hear me talk about probably ever again, but I figure I might as well talk about it now and get it over with, because a lot of people that start out in trading essentially start out with support and resistance, right? It's probably one of the things that most of us, when we first started trading or looking into trading, we heard about. Trade support and resistance and all that stuff. So really what I want to talk about in this specific video is I want to show you a simple, super fast way to draw out support and resistance, because if it was anything like when I started trading, you know, a lot of the time that I spent at the very beginning was literally trying to figure out where to draw support and resistance. Is it here? Is it over here? And then you find out, oh well, support and resistance is a zone, it's an area, it's not any specific point, so it could be here, it could be there, it could be anywhere, right? So at the end of the day, what I found out is that there's a real simple and easy way to draw support and resistance, and it'll kind of blow your mind here a little bit. So if you guys have seen me do this before, if you're in the mentoring group or in our members section, this is what I'm going to show you guys. So let's take a look here. So all you do is, let's say you want to draw support and resistance on I don't know, a daily chart or something, right? So pick any pair, it doesn't matter what pair it is. So let's take you know, this USD JPY. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab the chart here, right? And all you're going to do is basically you're just going to move it to the side, all right? And you're going to blow your mind, but all you're going to do is literally draw random lines on a chart. How accurate is my support and resistance? How accurate is my support and resistance? It literally took me 5 seconds, right? So let me do that again. I'll pick a different pair. Let's go to pound NZD. And let's just remove everything here. And let's, you know, do the same thing again. This time we'll do it, let's say, on a 4-hour chart. All right. Same thing. What we'll go ahead and do is we'll just move the chart on over to the side, and literally we will go ahead and just draw out random lines. Okay, we'll just draw out random lines, and let's see how accurate our support and resistance is. You see that? So can you really trust support and resistance areas when literally you can just draw random lines and get pretty accurate at drawing it, and it literally takes just 5 seconds to do it, right? Let's do one more. Let's do Euro JPY. Let's do, I don't know, 8-hour chart. All right, so here's an 8-hour chart. Let's just move this out of the way, and then literally we'll just draw random lines. Let's put one here, put one there, put one here, put one here, put one there. I don't know. and how accurate is that support and resistance. So you have to ask yourself, literally, like, you know, this is something that we all find in all the textbooks and everything like that when you first start trading, is, you know, you got to trade support and resistance, this and that and the other. Well, I don't want you guys to spend, if you're going to do that, that's perfectly fine. You know, if that works for you, great. But just be aware that you don't have to spend hours, weeks, or months trying to learn how to draw support and resistance. You can literally do it in 5 seconds by drawing just random lines on any chart. And I want you guys literally do this on your own, guys, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It'll come out the same way. Okay, literally do this on your own. Go to TradingView, go to any chart, doesn't matter. Pick, you know, time, it doesn't matter, 8, 12, daily, and draw out, literally, just move the chart to the side, and then just draw out random lines, you know, and see how accurate they are. Okay, and you'll be surprised as to how close and accurate they actually are. Look, you'll be surprised. I mean, it's ridiculous, right? So how good is support and resistance? I don't know, you tell me. Like, if I can spend 5 seconds drawing out these lines real quick, and you can see, you know, how accurate they are, like, do you really need to spend, you know, months and hours of your time trying to chart these out on a chart? All right, so real quick video, guys. I hope that this opened your eyes to support and resistance. If you're gonna use it, guys, just know that you don't have to spend, you know, hours trying to draw out the support and resistance lines. You can literally do it in 5 seconds and be pretty damn accurate at it. All right, guys, thank you so much. Until next time, guys, have a great weekend.